Namaskar. I am Ajishta from Government College for Girls Ludhiana welcomes you all to the news bulletin of GCG. On 30th January, under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji, the Department of Performing Arts organized a vibrant celebration of Basant Panchami. The event began with a soulful Saraswati Vanna performed by the students of Performing Arts Department, followed by a mesmerizing dance performance by the dance department students. The celebration concluded with the distribution of prasad, making it a spiritually enriching experience for all. On 1st February 2025, the Planning and Consumer Forum of GCG Ludhiana organized two enlightening sessions on the Union Budget under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji. These sessions aim to enrich students' understanding of economic policies, financial planning, and budgetary allocations. Faculty members and students actively engaged in discussions, sharing their views on budgetary policies and financial strategies. Both sessions successfully bridged the gap between theoretical learning and real world economic developments, fostering financial literacy, critical thinking, and informed decision making among students. On 3rd February 2025, under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji, the Physics Department organized slogan and poster making competition on the topic Radiation Hazards. Diya Agrawal from BSc 3rd Medical was the winner in slogan writing, and Gurleen Kaur from BSc 3rd Non-Medical was the winner from poster making contest. On 3rd February 2025, the Public Administration Department of Government College for Girls Ludhiana hosted a special event titled An Extension Lecture on Union Budget 2025-26 under the guidance of Madam Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji. The resource person for the session, Dr. Gurmeet Singh, provided valuable insights on the primary aspects and key highlights of the Union Budget 2025-26. The event was a resounding success. On February 3, 2025, the Department of Political Science at Government College for Girls Ludhiana, under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji, celebrated the 75th anniversary of the Constitution with a declamation competition. The topic for the declamation was the Constitution as a beacon for democracy. Students shared their insights on constitutional ideas, rights, and liberties. The event featured a role play where participants portrayed key figures of the Constituent Assembly, including Vallabhbhai Patel, Maulana Azad. The competition was judged by Mrs. Umang Bharti and Mrs. Anshul. Gurleen from BSc 2nd won first prize, Kamalpreet from BBA 2nd secured 2nd, and Jasmine from BA 1 took 3rd prize. On 6th February 2025, the Manojigyasa Society of Psychology students at GCG Ludhiana, under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji, hosted the video presentation competition with the topic Psychic Storming. How will you deliberate? Judges Dr. Tarunpreet Singh and Mrs. Shivani Arora evaluated the performances of the presentations. Sakshi Sabbarwal BA First won first prize, Akshata Mittal BA 1 and Arshmeet Kaur BA 3rd tied for second, and Nupur Chaudhary bagged the 3rd position. Krishna Rani received the consolation prize. On 8 February 2025, a PowerPoint presentation competition was held with 14 participants under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji, covering topics like AI, quantum computing, and blockchain. The judging panel, consisting of Mrs. Poonam, Mrs. Pooja, and Mrs. Jagjit from the Computer Science Department, awarded the first prize to Ishpreet and Nithika, second to Vishali and Neelam, and third to Chetna and Yukta. Cadet Shivani's remarkable achievement has brought immense pride to the GCG Ludhiana as she welcomes the only SW cadet from the Army wing of Ludhiana group to be selected for the prestigious Republic Day parade in Delhi. Her dedication have earned her this honor. College Principal Mrs. Sumalata ji applauded her accomplishments, extending her heartfelt blessings for a bright future. Government College for Girls Ludhiana shines at 38th AIU Inter-University North Zone Youth Festival, which was held from February 1st to 5, 2025 at Punjab University, Chandigarh, under the guidance of Association of Indian Universities, New Delhi. Students from Government College for Girls Ludhiana proudly represented Punjab University, Chandigarh in various events, securing notable positions. In Mehndi designing, Neelam Kumari MCom first secured first position. In Mime, the team comprising Nisha Rani, Krishma, Ishika, Khushi, Harpuneet and Anchal bagged 5th position. Principal Mrs. Sumalata Ji congratulated the students and appreciated the efforts of teacher in charges and youth coordinator for this achievement. Multilingual Society, in collaboration with the Anti-Ragging Cell and Youth Club, organized a meditation lecture at GCG Ludhiana under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata Ji. Ms. B.K. Neeru from Brahma Kumari. The lecture aimed to raise awareness about the importance of nutrition and healthy living. The event, which included a yoga and meditation sessions, was designed to promote holistic well-being among the students. The Institution Innovation Council IIC of GCG Ludhiana organized a one-day workshop on design thinking, critical thinking and innovation design. The workshop was conducted under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata Ji. The keynote speaker, Ms. Amanjot Kaur, an internationally certified soft skill trainer, engaged participants with interactive activities. This effort aimed to encourage students to pursue entrepreneurship, ultimately fostering a culture of innovation. Students of Government College for Girls Ludhiana achieved outstanding results in university examinations. Ishpreet Kaur, a BCA 3rd semester student, secured the 5th position in university with 344 marks. Similarly, Sanya, a BCom 3rd semester student, also attained the 5th position with an impressive score of 88%. Principal Mrs. Sumalata Ji, along with HOD Mrs. Sarita Khurana Ji, Mrs. Nivedita Ji and faculty members congratulated the students and their families, appreciating their hard work and dedication. They extended their best wishes for their future endeavors. Seminar on the topic You and I, a dialogue between men and women in contemporary Punjabi poetry, was organized at GCG Ludhiana under the guidance of Principal Mrs. Sumalata Ji in collaboration with Punjab Kala Parishad, Chandigarh. The event was presided over by Mr. Swaranjit Savi. Dr. Yograj Angrish was the chief guest and Mrs. Chandeep Kaur was the special guest. Dr. Amarjeet Singh Garewal, Dr. Jagdish Kaur, Dr. Charanjit Kaur and Dr. Jasleen Kaur were the keynote speakers for the seminar, who highlighted the current conditions of men and women in literary references and also emphasized the acceptance of equal human existence of both without any discrimination, so that a bright future can be created by fully recognizing the Constitution. With this, we came to the end of the news bulletin of session 24-25. We will be back with another news bulletin very soon. Till then, take care. Have a nice day.